this video I'll be baking a peach clafoutis. This dessert originates from the Limousin region in France, and it can be made using all different kinds of fruits. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. To get started, we wash the peaches and then cut them into quarters and remove the stones. You can use any kind of jam. Here I'm using an apricot jam. You line the pie dish with it just to give it a nice sweet base. Once you have your base done, you need to place the peach quarters face down into the pie dish. Next step is to make the custard filling. Whisk together the eggs, the milk, the sugar and the almond extract, and then the self-raising flour. Continue to whisk until you have a nice smooth batter. The real beauty of this recipe is that you're using everyday things you'll have in your fridge or your pantry, and it's also a great way of using up seasonal fruits you might have lying around. Once you're happy with the mixture, we need to transfer it into a jug so you can pour it easily. Next, place your pie dish ready in front of you. You're going to pour the batter all around the fruit, taking care not to pour over the peach skins. Now it's all set for baking, so you're going to be baking for roughly 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. Now whilst the clafoutis is cooling, we're going to, in a hot frying pan, we're going to lightly toast the almonds. We're using sliced almonds and it takes no more than about 3 or 4 minutes. Now these almonds are going to form the crispy topping for our clafoutis. And we finish with a light dusting of confectioner's sugar on the top. This clafoutis can be eaten warm or cold. My personal preference is to eat it warm with a nice dollop of cold ice cream on the side. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.